Hi, this is Wednesday 13th of April 2016. Just giving you an update on Sid the Narrowboat. As we're just going to walk past the shower here, just show you the framework. So this area here is going to be where my bed's going to go. This bit here is going to be where the table is, and this bit here is the seating arrangement. So how it's going to work is you're going to have the seat here, a table here to have your dinner and your breakfast on, and I'm going to use the back of the bed for like the second side of the table for seating arrangement. So as you walk down the passageway here, it's not made yet, as you can see. This is going to be the end of the bed. It's going to have a board going all the way up to the ceiling here, and on the opposite side, just turn around, look at the other way. So this bit here around the pole is going to be the wardrobe. So I'm going to walk down here, come into this area, and be the wardrobe here. There'd be some shelves or drawers underneath the wall there. Going to be like a blanket chest where this pipe vise is, and like above this hole here, this is going to be where the sink's going to go, with like the worktop. Probably underneath the sink there'd be more either cupboards, shelves or drawers. So just going to walk up into the kitchen now. And this is going to be the kitchen. Everything in here is not fastened together, it's just put into place really. So the sink's going to go here. Going to have the double gas hob here. Going to have the double hob induction 240 volt cooker there. I've ordered it. It's probably come today or tomorrow. So once that comes, I'll cut a hole in this bit here to put that into place, and then just get all the fittings for the taps and the drains, drill the holes in the back of the cupboards for them. You can't see it properly here, but there's a stainless steel vent there, and I need to put the vent on the opposite side, well, on the outside of the boat. I've got a silver one which has been painted blue. As the boat's going to be gold, I've been looking for a gold vent, but I can't find one the right size, so I'm either going to have to take the blue paint off the one I've got and use a silver one, or just try a bit harder to find a gold vent. So that's the how the narrowboat's looking on Wednesday the 13th of April. So thanks for watching, and see you next time. Okay, bye.